How do you start an Instagram shop and tag Etsy products in your posts and stories? With Instagram shopping, you can get people to click on your posts or your stories and go directly to your Etsy shop to purchase your products. But how do you do this with only an Etsy shop without a pattern website, since Instagram clearly states that you need your own domain that you've purchased and that you own to verify before even approving this feature for your account? Hi there, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business, online business growth, and freelancing. If you enjoy this kind of videos and you want to learn more and learn how to make more money online, make sure to click the subscribe button below and press the notifications bell to not miss any videos. In their new Instagram shopping requirements, Instagram clearly states that you need a domain you own to verify in order to get Instagram shopping on your Instagram account. Now, this is obviously not the case for Etsy unless you purchase a domain with Etsy pattern and you have your own domain with .com, .net, and so on. But with an Etsy domain, such as your shop name .etsy.com, that is obviously owned by Etsy. So how do you get Instagram shopping if the only domain you have is owned by Etsy and not by you? Well, I thought it was impossible too, because I read Instagram requirements for Instagram shopping very clearly, and they stated that you need to own that domain. So in my head, I didn't even question it because you cannot own an Etsy domain, it is owned by Etsy. But then after one of you wrote me on Facebook and told me that you managed to do that with your Etsy account, I decided to give it a try, and I found the way that you can verify your Etsy domain in Etsy and get this feature approved for your Etsy shop, even with their new requirements and updates. Now, there are a few steps that you need to be really careful to do correctly if you want this feature on your account. So watch this entire video, review it, and make sure that you do all the things that I'm mentioning here if you want this feature. Step number 1, the accounts. First, you will need an Instagram business account that has a profile image, a description that is well optimized, and that has an established presence. It means that you need people to engage with your account, with your content, and it also means that you need to be active on your Instagram account, posting stories, posts, Instagram Reels, IGTVs. Just make sure to establish a believable and authentic brand on their platform. I suggest having at least 200 real followers on your Instagram account that you got organically and that actually engage with your content. You don't need to have 200 likes on every post, but you need to have some engagement. Make sure you communicate with your customers. Now, the next thing you need is a Facebook business page for your business. So again, optimize it, make sure to add a profile image, cover image, add the shop now button that leads to your Etsy shop. Also add a username, invite a few people to like your page. I suggest again at least 20-30 likes. Post there daily for a few days, engage with the people that leave you comments, or at least be sure to be active even if you don't have engagement on the Facebook page. Step number 2, the products catalog. If you've tried to enable this feature before and your catalog has errors, you will need to create a brand new one that would automatically create a brand new commerce account. So you will need to create a catalog from Facebook Business Manager. So go to business.facebook.com, go to More Tools, Business Settings, Data Sources, and Catalogs. From there, you will need to click Add New or go to the catalog that you've already created and add the items. You will need to add each item manually, so you make sure that they're added right. So you'll need to add these products manually to your catalog one by one, and I suggest having at least 10 products in your catalog before you apply. So when you add a new product to your catalog, you'll need to add a profile image as the basic front image. Then you will need additional images. You will also need a title, description. Keep those short and sweet, don't go overboard. And then add your website link. For the website link, I suggest shortening the Etsy link a little bit. So as I'm showing you on the screen right now, don't delete the entire title. You can also leave the Etsy link only with the numbers. It is up to you, but I honestly suggest not leaving the whole link. So you can choose one of the two options that you have. Then you must make sure to add the price in the currency that it is in your Etsy shop, that it is visible to customers in your Etsy shop. And if you have a sale on your Etsy shop, if you have a sale on the product you're adding, make sure to add the option "this item is on sale" and write the sale price as well as the price that it was before. Then you can mark the condition as new or mark the condition of the item. If you're selling vintage items, you can mark the condition of the item there, but if you're selling digital products, always add the condition as new. Now let's move on to step number 3, domain verification. This is how you learn how to verify your Etsy shop domain in Facebook Business Manager to get this feature. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is that you won't be using your etsy.com/shop/your shop name link. You will need to be using your shop name link .etsy.com. That is your customized Etsy domain that Etsy provides for every single shop. So to verify your domain, go to your Facebook Business Manager again, brand safety and domains, and add your domain in the format theprincehome.etsy.com, your shop name.etsy.com. Do not add the www. Before that. After that, go to the third option, which is the head option, and copy the head code. Once you got that copied, go to Etsy, Shop Manager, and go to Settings. Under Settings, go to the bottom of the list where you'll find Facebook Shops and click on it. There you will find a place to add your metadata code that you just copied. Add the code there, click Submit, and then you'll need to wait a few minutes before you go to your Facebook Business Manager and click Verify. Once your domain is verified, congratulations, now you can apply for this feature. But not before checking if everything is correct on your Instagram account and your Facebook account. So don't apply before the established presence is achieved and a few likes on the Facebook page and all the other things that I mentioned. Step number 4, connect the accounts. Before applying for the feature, you need to make sure that your Instagram account and Facebook page is connected to your Facebook Business Manager that owns that commerce account for that catalog you just created in which you added your products. I know this must seem confusing, but you will understand what I mean in a second. So go to Facebook Business Manager, the Facebook business that you created the catalog in, and go to Accounts. Under Instagram accounts, connect your Instagram account, and under Pages, connect your Facebook page. After you've done that, we can go to the next step, which is step number 5, applying for review. To apply for a review for Instagram shopping with an Etsy shop, you need to go to your catalogs again, select the catalog that you've added your products to, make sure that it is the right catalog, and then click Open in Commerce Manager. Once you clicked on that, you will see the Commerce Manager appear, and you'll be able to go to Sales Channels, where you'll need to click on Manage. When you go to Manage, you'll be directly led to the sales channel options where you'll see your Facebook and your Instagram. If your Facebook page isn't connected, you must connect it, and your Instagram account, you must connect it as well. So go ahead and click Add Account under Instagram, and here's how your application starts. You will select your Instagram account that you want to connect. You will also go on and click Next and select the Facebook page that you want to associate it with, the catalog that you want to associate with, the domain. Now the conclusion is that Instagram shopping is a faster way to get more clients from social media, Instagram specifically. People can go on your account, see your posts, and if they enjoy the product that is shown in that image, they can just click on it and go and purchase it directly. So they don't have to go searching through your whole Etsy shop to find that specific product that they've seen in that one Instagram post. They will be able to just click on it, get the product, and this speeds up the process for many people that are searching for similar products on Instagram. If you're having trouble with enabling Instagram shopping on your Instagram account for your Etsy shop or any other website, make sure to contact me by filling out the form below. I'm offering this service for you. You can also find a bunch more resources on growing online and social media marketing for business on my website incomingsuccess.com, so make sure to check that as well. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess, where I post Instagram reels, IGTVs, and posts and stories on my life as an entrepreneur and online business owner. I will also start posting exclusive IGTVs on my income reports and much more, so make sure to follow me on there to not miss anything. If you enjoyed this kind of videos and this video was helpful to you, make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to press the bell and select all notifications if you want to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.